Look, Mia has a big cake. Leo has colorful balloons. Why? It is a big secret. Let's find out. It is a sunny morning, but look at Ben. He sits alone in the garden looking down. He looks very sad. Ben thinks, my friends forget my birthday. Nobody remembers today. Poor Ben thinks his friends forgot him. Meanwhile, inside the house, Mia and Leo are very busy. The kitchen is messy and fun. Mia mixes flour and sugar. Mix, mix, mix. I am making a yellow cake. It looks delicious. Leo has red and blue balloons. Puff, puff, phew. Blowing up balloons is hard work. Shh, be quiet. It is a surprise. Leo nods. Okay, we must be fast. They work together as a team. They are good friends getting the surprise ready. Mia holds the cake. Leo holds the balloons. They sneak into the garden. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! They shout. Ben jumps up. He sees the big yellow cake and balloons. His eyes go wide. Happy birthday, Ben! Ben smiles a huge smile. He is not sad now. He is very happy. Wow, thank you. I thought you forgot. We never forget you, Ben. They sit on the grass and eat the yummy cake together. It is the best birthday ever. Great job. Let's practice. Say, birthday. Now look at my face. Sad. Ben was sad. Now smile. Happy. Ben is happy. Surprise. Wow, a surprise. Now a mini quiz. What does Mia make? A sandwich or a cake? The answer is B, a cake. Well done. Good friends make us happy. When is your birthday? Tell us in the comments below. Click like and subscribe for more stories with Mia, Leo, and Ben. See you next time. Bye-bye.